This hummus is so good. If y'all like everything bagels, then you need to try it because it's a game changer. Also, I will be indulging in some carrots. That is so good. For dinner tonight, what are you making, Dad?
I am making what they call the weekday chicken, and it's super easy. It means you heat up a pan in the oven that can be heated up to 450 degrees, and then you put the seasoned chicken, whole chicken, which is gonna have salt, pepper, and maybe a little lemon. Sizzles right away because the pan is so hot. Carefully put it back into the oven and let it cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. After that timer goes off, you turn it off the oven and you just let it sit for another 30 minutes. It's a crowd favorite.
What else are we having with it?
We're gonna have mashed potatoes, and we're going to have hummus and what you're eating.
And carrots.
No double dip. Somebody
I've already been double dipping.